The paraffin tissue block cabinet is aesthetically designed for keeping blocks embedded in embedding rings, disposable cassettes, L-moulds. The cabinet is made out of galvanized steel sheet duly powder coated. The drawers are also made of powder coated galvanized steel sheet. The drawer is suitably designed to keep the blocks one after the other in rows for easy and quick storage and removal. Front index card holder for keeping the record. Each drawer will accommodate blocks in rows sliding smoothly in place and can be taken out easily.